My favourite thing about the open days is meeting lots of prospective applicants from all over the UK and all over the world.
Seeing the college, buzzing with people, and being able to share the things that we love the most about studying in Oxford with prospective students.
I'm really looking forward to meeting all of you, answering your questions about Oxford life, as well as sharing this university that has become my second home.
Plan your transport. Are you going to get here by bus, car or train? If you're coming by car, be sure to check out the park and ride sites around the city. It will make it a lot easier coming into Oxford.
There's so much to see in Oxford and you can't possibly visit all the colleges, so definitely prioritise.
Make a list of 4 or 5 different colleges that you would like to see and make sure that the colleges offer the course that you would like to study.
Think about whether you want to see big colleges or small colleges, old or new, in the town centre or out of the town. You'll want to think about what departments to go and visit, and that will depend on what courses you're interested in applying for.
Look at what your department is putting on, see if colleges are putting on any subject-specific talks, things like meet the tutors. Just being here and asking questions means you'll get a lot out of the day.
Oxford colleges and departments are spread all over the city, so you might want to check on maps where everything is just to make sure you can get to where you need to be on time. If you need any help or support, you could come here to the examination schools, which is going to be the Open Day Information Centre.
So on the open day, I'll be answering any questions, giving out advice and just helping you understand what it's like to be a real student at the University of Oxford.
You can expect tours with students, you can expect academic taster sessions with current academic staff, sessions on finance support and financial planning, on disability and welfare support, and just everything you need to know before applying to Oxford, really.
There's also lots of different talks happening around the university, including for students of different faiths and different backgrounds.
I will be co-running a talk about the LGBTQ experience here at Oxford.
This is a great chance to get to know Oxford on a deeper level. There'll also be the opportunity to speak to student societies to learn about Oxford and university life beyond your studies.
So if there's any particular sessions that you want to go to, please ensure you check the Oxford University website to see whether they need to be booked beforehand.
Make sure you're wearing comfortable, sensible clothing. You're going to be moving around a lot.
You're going to be seeing lots of different colleges and departments and chatting to lots of different people. So make notes throughout the day about your favourite things about each college.
What you should bring to an open day is preparation for the English weather, and bring an umbrella.
Also make sure to check out Oxford in general and the communities that are here. There's loads of cool things like museums, libraries and historic landmarks like this.
You're welcome to come alone, but you're equally welcome to come with a teacher, a parent, family, your friends.
You can expect to take away new ideas about what studying at Oxford might be like,
How the degrees work or what the people are like here, and decide whether Oxford is the place for you.
Hopefully you'll find a college you love, and equally we hope you find a course that you love, because passion for the course that you're going to be studying is really what we look for in an application.
Most importantly, enjoy your time here and have fun.